raro. Dame solo más parte, solo más parte.
What's up? It's me, your one and only Auburn Queen, also known as your girl Celestina, and I'm back. Welcome back. It's good to be back. You did. Y'all been gone for a month, almost 2. After I was supposed to get my light fixed, what you saw in the previous video, another one broke. So I had to order 2. I'm back, okay? I'm back, and I'm back giving y'all videos every week like promised. Thank y'all for staying in for the long haul. Thank y'all for being so loyal, okay? Because I disappeared on y'all and y'all could have easily disappeared on me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you in my next one. First things first, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the shade Auburn. And I tried to do something different on these clips. I tried to angle my camera a different way, but it wasn't working for me. So now I'm just using this LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Porcelain, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lid, prepping myself for the eyeshadow. And now I'm going to be taking my Airspun powder. I'm just going to be setting that concealer that I put down on my lid. And now I'm taking this yellow shade from this Morphe Picasso palette, and I'm putting that down as a transition shade. And excuse me for the mirror being in the way the whole video. I honestly didn't even know it was this close to the camera until I started editing, but I mean, it will. It'll be alright. Now I'm taking this orange shade from the same exact palette. This palette doesn't have names, so now I'm just putting this right below that transition shade. Now I'm just going in with that first brush that we used, and I'm going back to blend that out together. Now I'm taking this purple shade out of the same palette. I'm just gonna put that right below that orange shade, almost in my crease area. I would call this the crease area. And I'm just going to pack that on and blend out as I go. And after I apply that purple, I just take that second brush that we used and I go back and blend that all together. That's the key to eyeshadow. Once you put down the color, you gotta go back with the last brush you used and blend it out. So as you can see, I'm just building up that purple because I want it to be more intense. So I'm just gonna do this in a couple of clips, keep blending out, adding more purple and blending out some more. Now I'm going in with my NYX Jumbo eyeliner in the color Milk, and I'm going to be cutting my crease with this. And now I'm just setting my lids with Airspun powder, and now I'm going in with this MaryKay eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with this purple shade first and putting that right in the first corner of my eyes. Going in with that same palette, I'm just going to be taking this shimmery green shade and putting that right in the center. Now I'm going to be taking that purple that we used in our crease, and I'm going to put that at the end, the outer corner of my eye. And you want to blend each shadow together so they can intertwine together, so it'll look blended instead of just like real patchy. Taking my MaryKay moisturizer and my MaryKay primer. I'm just going to be putting that on my face, and I did apply my mascara and eyeliner off camera because y'all know that's a struggle. Now I'm going to be going in with my MaryKay foundation, and I really forgot what color it's in, but it'll be in the description box below. This foundation, it matches my skin tone, but I really don't like the dryness of it, but it's all I have right now, so I have to use it. But I wouldn't recommend it if you have dry skin because it's really matte and I don't like it. Taking my Kevyn Accoin Skin Essential Enhancer, I'm going to be putting this down as a highlight, and you want to be sure that you're blending this all out with a damp beauty blender. Taking this Absolute New York contour kit I got a way long time ago. I'm taking that darkest shade and I'm going to be contouring with that today. The reason why I didn't contour with my Anastasia Beverly Hills is because I want a more warm tone look. So I gotta use more of a brownish, warm tone brown color to contour. I don't want a cool contour today. Sorry. Taking my Airspun powder again, I'm going to be baking, and let me just say my camera did die, so you don't see the whole baking process, but I did do that, and now I'm wiping it away. Now I'm taking my Chocolate Soleil bronzer by Too Faced, and I'm just going to be setting my contour areas and bronzing my face up at the same time. Okay, so I applied my lashes off camera, and now I'm taking my NYX Dewy setting spray and I'm putting it all over my face. Now I'm going to be lining my lips with this Ruby Kisses lip liner in the color Gingerbread, and then taking this BH Cosmetics lip kit. I'm going to be mixing 2 shades together. Going in with that NYX Jumbo eyeliner in the color Milk. I'm going to be putting that down my waterline, and I'm also going to take another eye pencil from NYX, and it's going to be blue. I'm going to put that on my waterline too. Taking this highlighter, this is the Star Crush Minerals highlighter in the shade Honey Bun. I'm going to be highlighting my face, beaming. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.